I was interested in welding, so I searched on the website. I signed up for this, hoping that it'd give me the opportunity to see if I was interested. Having the facilities here and the instruction to try different methods and optimising it so that it actually works and you get a much neater line has been really good.
I think it benefits where they may be thinking, shall I try welding or not, giving it a go, bonding with other people here, giving them the confidence as well. To do something they haven't done before. They can come here, have a taste of the welding and maybe take it a little bit further. Demonstrating the mat is by setting up the machine first, setting up the gases and the flow meter. You have to have the right pressures and the right gas for the process of the certain weld. Otherwise, if you don't get the maths right, you'll burn the hole through the plate itself. After the first evening, I have seen a massive difference in their welding itself. And in themselves as well.
I think in academia it's impressed that you need to be good at maths to be good at maths, but we all do maths without noticing it every day, and you don't need that pushed in your face, just the confidence to be able to count change, work out your speed and do things like this. All skills are transferable, so whether you go on and do further welding or just gain something from coming and meeting different people and learning how to communicate in a different environment, I think it's all beneficial, so come and give it a go. It's free, why not?